Did you know you can turn off your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra screen with just a simple double tap? It's a super handy feature that saves time and keeps your phone more efficient. Let me show you how to activate it. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into Settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Next, tap on Motion and Gestures. Here, look for the option that says double tap to turn off screen and make sure it's turned on. Now, when you are done using your phone, go back to the home screen and simply double tap anywhere on it. And it will turn off without needing to reach for the power button. This is a small but efficient way to make your phone experience smoother, especially if you are one-handed or want to quickly turn off the screen without using the power button. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.